Hi guys, today I want to talk to the car drivers. Okay, so I want to tell you one thing. A few days ago, I discovered that my brakes were not working because even the red light in the dashboard showed me that there was something urgent in the brake system. So I went to check the reservoir of brake oil, and I discovered that it was completely empty. What to do? Fortunately, in my car there was a little oil left after I did done the last service, so I picked it up and I put some little amount that was left in the gallon, and then I went to a petrol station nearby and I bought another can of 0.2 liters and I filled in the little tank of brake oil, and I had a journey of about 24 kilometers. But as soon as I left the petrol station, the light went off fast, and then in about 5 kilometers it was on again, and the brakes were not touching, we were not holding the tires the way it should be. So I thought, what did I do? And I went on moving. My car is automated, so when there was a steep slope, in Nyeri, normally there's a lot of mountains, I used to go with low gear to avoid any situation that is not desired, and so I had to meet the mechanic. So today I want to show you what the mechanic did. So come with me and watch how to treat this issue of oil leakage, because I came to understand that from this left back tire there was a leakage. So here we are going to open the tire and we'll see what to do. So follow up the procedure.
Mahali ni pazuri, ndugu wanapokaa wakipatana vyema na wakipendana. Mahali ni pazuri, ndugu wanapokaa wakipatana vyema na wakipendana. naifurahia kwa utukufu wa